Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the MCQs on electromagnetic induction. Actually, ये जो discussion है MCQs के ऊपर only for awareness, just how to solve कि भाई कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या condition है. तो just awareness के लिए I am going to talk about this MCQs on the electromagnetic induction. Okay, so I have one few questions here. An EMF of 16 volt is induced in a coil of inductance 4 Henry. These two quantities are given. Inductance is given, induced EMF is given. What is the rate of change of current? So we know E equal to what? E equal to what? L Ti by dt. E equal to L Di by dt. So E is given 16 volt और L is given 4 Henry. So 16 upon 4 is 4. Di by dt कितना आएगा? 4 ampere per second. That is the answer. Second question. The core of coil has a length of 200 mm. The inductance of the coil is 16 millihenry. If the core length is doubled, and all the other quantity remaining same, what is the inductance? Please see here, L is given, inductance is given. We have to find the relationship between length and everything is same, right? So how to do it? Now you know inductance L equal to क्या होता है, एक फार्मूला we have studied, n square upon s, right, equal to n square upon s equal to क्या होता है, लेंथ upon म्यू जीरो म्यू आर ए. तो म्यू जीरो म्यू आर ऊपर आ जाएंगे, right ना. L equal to n square upon s, we know this second definition of self inductance, और n square upon s equal to L upon mu 0 mu r a. What he is saying, inductance is 6 millihenry दिया है, this is given 6 millihenry. कोर लेंथ डबल कर रहे हैं. अगर कोर लेंथ को आप बढ़ा रहे हैं and other quantity is same, you are not changing number of turns mu 0 mu r a, so obviously inductance will be half. That is the answer, 3 millihenry. पहले 6 था, अब 3 हो जाएगा. क्यों? लेंथ को डबल करेंगे, so L will be 1/2. Clear ना? So this is the concept we have. Okay. Next. Question number 3. Self inductance of two coils are 8 and 18 millihenry. If the coefficient of coupling is 0.5, the mutual inductance of the coil M निकालना है. So what is M? Sorry, I am going to solve. M equal to what? M equal to क्या होता है? K root L1 L2. K equal to M upon root L1 L2 or M equal to K into root L1. Everything is given. K is given. कितना है K? 0.5. L1 is given 8 millihenry and into 18 millihenry. Millihenry मतलब -3, -3 मतलब -6. Just we have to solve it. So by using the calculator, I am just using the calculator. 8 into 18, okay, under root of it. 8 into 18 equal to under root of this equal to this. into 0.5, 6 millihenry. Yes, 6 millihenry. That is the answer. Okay. Next, the energy in joules is stored in a magnetic field of 0.15 Henry inductance with 180 milliampere. So we know energy stored क्या होता है 1/2 Li square. Just you have to put the value 1/2 here. L कितना दिया inductance 0.15 inductance and I कितना दिया 180 into 180 milli square. So just value 180 into 180 into 0.15 divided by 2. 2.43 micro. 2.43 243. So 2.43 milli. That is the answer. Just you have to put the value, you can get it. Okay. So 2.43 milli ampere. Okay. Next, fifth. A coil with negligible resistance has 50 volt across it. 50 volt across it with 10 milliampere. The inductive reactance actually थोड़ा सा ये अलग टाइप का प्रॉब्लम है. इंडक्टिव रिएक्टेंस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय XL इक्वल टू होता है V अपॉन I. V अपॉन I. V कितना है 50 एंड करंट कितना दिया 10 मिली एम्पियर. So 50 upon 10, 5 into 10 raised to power 3. Okay, so 5000 ohm. That is the answer. V upon I. Average voltage of 10 volt is induced in a 250 turns solenoid as a result of change in flux which occurs in 0.5 second. The flux changes. Okay, so average voltage induced 10 volt equal to what? 10 volt. Okay, equal to क्या होता है? Equal to n d phi by dt. n d phi by dt. So everything is in total flux change. d phi equal to क्या आएगा? What is the d phi equal to 10 into dt upon n. Right now, 10 into dt upon n. So 10 dt is given कितना है 0.5 second. 0.5 और n number of turns is given 250. So 5 upon 250, 1 upon 50, 0.02. That will be the answer. Weber. Okay. So in this way we can solve such problem. Okay, next. 7th. In Fleming's right hand rule. This is the Fleming's right hand rule. What is the Fleming's right hand rule? First finger, second finger and thumb are perpendicular to each other, and it is applicable for motor actually. Okay, the first finger indicates the field. First finger indicates the field sorry, first finger indicates the field, direction of field, direction of flux. That is the answer, A. Question number 8. In Fleming's right hand rule, again, first finger, second finger, thumb are perpendicular to each other. So second finger, okay, the middle finger or third finger, middle finger indicates what? Direction of EMF induced है कहीं, direction of flux wrong है, direction of EMF induced, that is the correct answer, B. Clear? So 8 का answer B है. Okay. Sorry, this is 9. By mistakes it is there. It is not a 7, 8. Okay, anyway, it is actually repetition. 7, 8. The EMF induced in a conductor of length 1 meter moving a right angle to a uniform magnetic field and flux density is 1.5 Weber per meter square. The velocity is 50 meter per second square. EMF induced E equal to, we know E equal to what? E equal to what? Equal to VLV. BL velocity. VLV sine of theta, and sine theta I am assuming 1 because it is perpendicular. So B is given 1.5 Weber per meter square. Length is given. Length कितना दिया है? 1. And V velocity is given 50. into 1.5, it is 75 volt. C answer is correct, right? Okay. An iron core coil of 10 tons has a reluctance of 100 ampere turn per Weber, 10 tons. The inductance of the coil, you know, L equal to N square upon S. L square equal to N square upon S. N square, that is the second definition of self-inductance. N is given कितना है? 10 square. 10 टर्न्स है तो 10 का स्क्वायर अपॉन S दिया है रिलक्टेंस S इक्वल टू 100. So your answer is 1. That is B. Correct answer is B. Okay. Next, question number 9. The combined inductance of the two coils is 0.8 Henry in series, means both coils connected in series adding, and 0.2 Henry when these two are connected in opposition. So mutual inductance is, so what is the value? L1 plus L2 plus 2M, sorry, plus 2M equal to what? 0.8 is given. When these two coils connected in series, so L1 plus L2 plus 2M is 0.8, and when these two coils connected in series differentially, L1 plus L2 minus, sorry, that is minus 2M equal to 0.2. So mutual inductance क्या होगा? If you subtract, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So L1 cancelled, L2 cancelled, it is, you will get 4M equal to क्या आएगा? 0.6. So M equal to what? 0.6 upon 4, 0.15. 0.15. Yes, the C answer is correct. Clear? Okay. A magnetic circuit has a MMF of 400 ampere turns, MMF, and reluctance S equal to this 200. So flux का formula है, it is very simple, phi equal to Ni upon S. MMF upon reluctance. MMF is given 400 upon S is given 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So you will get 200. If you divide this 200, 10 raised to power 5, 200 मतलब you will get 2 10 raised to power minus 5 मतलब 10 raised to power minus 3. है क्या आंसर? Yes, this B, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Weber. So in this way we can solve such problem. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Thank you very much for listening me. Actually, I had taken this MCQ only to how to solve such problem. If your concept is clear, if your formula is clear, you know the formulas, you can solve any problem related with the this electromagnetic induction. Thank you very much for listening.